mean too.
Good and more about so far as my farm way. Let me say, more Ghana man penny abaso. I went to my pa or yeah, this one more Ghana. Now me say Ghana near one. It will be a penny for you and from penny for me now with my papa. I never can you catch up a penny for more mano or send some me school and go for gummy. Papa is now 2016. I bring you to catch my penny mama say 100%. Now can me catch on my heno. I wear my penny for the buy. I used to school. I was be a school with baby. Not for phobia as a taker. I dark as here. The look at red dark as here. For Canada, red dark as here on penny for the the question called the one school there. But I could 2,000. So penny for the mamma. Opa for the not every school. No commodium. No penny other Roma. Not collage. Na common penny go about acquire na cause of oh. And then I cannot go to farm because for so be any so. Now call this community my now say school down na kwan community no. My penny shena.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me ba cho hwan ye?
Some
Collins Ashama you too.
Yeah, rent now we come and then I also high takra.
Yeah, me ya we ase ne say papa ni be wawie na afa na mo born samra ne. Papa ni be wawie na afa na mo ka kire say one is the first president who was able to do free education for the whole Ghanaians. Papa ni be wawie na mo ka kire say one na ati kuo bi a friend NABCO. My friends are unemployment graduate people. Papa ni be wa mo ka na fo asa ka kire me say one the president and no dwen here phone. Ono na ba mu na udi na tam kura no won ka hwe. Papa ni be wa mo maka se me say Akufo Addo ba mu na utimi tira kwa mu ton no ma. Na ye du abaye bi ama. Na abaye bi ama. How Ghana for? This is the kind of people you are. This is the kind of people you are. But the name of Akufo Addo is secretary. You don't come together as a journalist. You don't come together as a bloggers. You don't come together as a citizens. And when I catch them, some more bad citizens. They're famu chichiru kro. More bad citizens. They're famu chichiru kro. Citizens are famu chichiru kro. Man, this is a dear time. And sanama share video. And just you can't someone go abiso and sanama follow ye. And just you go obi wufi and sanama me ya star. Me pesta biya yo. Masa me born bro. Chale me serious yo. Chale I don't depend on MPP and yo. Chale I know where I came from. Oh. I know where I start life from. Because me confirm the yogurt. I'll never stop saying this. I know the Ghana I belong to, no. Obi mo obi o. Obi a person kumyo. Including our every parliament. Every court to them. Every handful. Every Akufo Addo is different to me. And you people are disgracing him as somebody you never hear in Ghana. Mu kuru fi say obi amonte mu ne no ma pa na say mu ni suma da wa Ghana. Hey. Ene ka wudi na tema wa edi. Hello. Ya nya ohwe. Na na do de wudi na tema. Obi antwechew. National security kura yedin. Odi ase. Yeah, Mr. Papa when he say mra because of say we mra nimni we lawyer kese nti mra e no believe timi dia Ghana for ama Ghana for Kennedy sanya mra dia nanado e kwana wo yiro mu yo ala wansi na wo tua no mu yo e chicha for na wo tua mu ka mu yo na ko no mu yo conference na wo bi no Ghana for wa control mu yo propaganda na e do and 20 head yo. Young would finish enemy yo. Yes, son of Ghana for yo. Enti emra. Nana emra the about boy young former working and win. Young yama also munko school free. And yankali musia more power for na meme kasama woman. Womutina mamba social media. I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media. To insult anybody, I'm nobody to nobody. But I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni railways in Yajuo. Journalists be at me can want them do. Omo fasu koto for suntalishe. Omu twamu ho ekoba. Journalist bi antimi ankotan radio station anka wasam. But atem de die etimi tena woye. Atem de die etimi damne e ho blogger. Na Ghana journalists na mo ye blogger. And the blogger se no kura ye come anim e wo followers senema. Because of that, you guys are so disappointed to the country. Bloggers, you know, our followers because you dear them. So journalists, you are Ghana started in the day. Have the followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called the name you put in yourself, journalists. And you are journalists, you be smart. And it was what journalists, and you are broken, or you broken. Don't tell me, say, hey, Captain Smart TV. Hey, a TV station, be out. And I mean, Miss Abato TV, I'm a tiano. Minion packet, whoa. Miana, me be a madio. Man, Koyo, be a human sound. Me be a Miss Abato TV, no, by myself. By my dream. I didn't go to any journalism school. And I was not even going to school to learn anything about journalists. But I can talk as a good citizen from Ghana. I can educate my brothers and sisters to get a good mentality and knowledge to change their life to become better life. I tell you, who journalists no kwa oya bo no. Nyansa ni atina dem tremuni bi. Eso me ton family ki yogurt me bo shine. Me catch us me ma brabo betimi abecha wo brabo. I'm telling you. I don't need to express myself on social media, but with my common sense and my knowledge. It is how you journalist here. Why don't you fight for your citizens? Ghana near a problem be a minim. I'm we ashamed of yourself. And I'm we try baby uncle for essential. Baby uncle for Eco school signal. Justice was there for a long time. Even by Akufo Addo bad, Mahama, they tried to build some schools. Akufo Addo did more than Mahama did. Akufo Addo did more roads than Mahama did, than NDC did for 29 good years in power. No journalist was able to show us our road. No journalist was able to tell Ghanaians what is happening in Ghana. And today, Jonas is telling we guys what is happening in Ghana. You guys are so disappointed and so ashamed of yourself. Today, my brother fell from above, who struggled to pass Libya, to use desert, to use a sea, to go to Europe. Now the guy become he becomes so, you know, worry for Ghana. Quite fast to be somebody, you know, quite fast to be change your life, and yet. Ama ne o kaseti ama ne aso Akufo Addo Akufo Addo no ama ehia for me ko school free ehia for me nya life ehia for me benyina be president aboni dimpa ehia for me be ya MPs abetwene Ghana ho aboni dimpa na wo a wan ko free education ene so ma me bre yansa na ko school ene so ma me bre yansa na wo tete wa reziu ene nti wo so be Ghana MP minister wo hia Ghana. Ah, wo, you Ghana phone. Ah, can pone na sha utirimu ma. Ene, Akufo Addo na wo change Ghana, ba omi na mo change Ghana system. Wo so no na mo sori tia no. Ni enya bloggers bi a omo so anko school, omo firi onya busuam, na mo so di sa papa fo yatem. Esa Ghana nye, ko busa wo kromfo se. Every side, you ya wo wana na wo krom kwa na ye na tutu ya na. Kobusa ukromfo se efiri se ya wo na ukrom no ena ya type bo obi afie ho Akufo Addo ba ne ni nyina ya tutu afiri wana masa mo blog ya mo kanya sasemo presenters mo so mo blog ya mo kanya sasemo na mo mu bia timi to asese ya wa presenter for ya fight galamse no mo so fight ena dia na nkrai bedie ena dia na ena mo boy ya no dia na togu no mo so fight. They call themselves journalists. At the end of the day, the same presenters will come and say, Yensu Ase. Mr. Ghana, Yeni baby yako because woman could go to certificate, no? Woman could go to school, no? Simiani too much. ebi kuta degree ni chese school no mo ko fa chimi ene ya yanko universities no yesusu anim